test consists of 4 riding exercises that measure your motorcycle control and hazard response skills. The final 2 exercises involve speeds of about 15 miles an hour. You will be scored on time and distance standards as well as path and foot down violations. The test may be ended for point accumulation, committing an unsafe act, or failure to understand or follow instructions. You may stop the test at any time, but you must complete the entire test to pass it. Points are assessed if you stall your engine at any time during any exercise. Stalling the engine 4 times during the test is an automatic failure. Okay, so do you understand? Okay, so the first one we're doing is the cone leave. When signaled, you're going to ride to the right of the first cone, to the left of the second, and so on. Weave past all 5 cones without touching or skipping a cone or putting a foot down. Once you get done with that, you're going to turn left and ride toward the outside of the course here on the left. You don't have to stay with any box. And then just make a smooth, non-skidding stop in that blue box with your front tire. Okay. Remain stopped until I give you further instructions.
Okay.
Okay.
Good to go.
Yeah. So whenever you're ready, you can go ahead and start.
To the right of the first one?
To the right.
Is it okay if I turn it off like that so I can hear you afterwards?
That's fine. Yeah,
okay.
that's perfectly fine. Okay, so now on the next one, we're going to start on that blue T and you'll be facing this direction.
Okay.
Next one we're going to be doing is turn from a stop and then a U-turn. So when signaled, you're going to make a right turn between the 2 yellow boundary lines here. Do not touch either line or put a foot down. And then diagonally, you're going to cross to the opposite side. Let's see, you're 600 cc. So you're going to do a U-turn between the solid yellow line on the right.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to do a U-turn within that solid yellow box.
Okay.
Okay, you can't go outside of the box, right? And then again, you're going to stop with your front tire with a non-skidding stop in that blue box.
Good deal.
All right, got it? Start on that white T in the middle, facing this direction. So the next one we're just going to be doing is the quick stop. So on my signal, you're going to accelerate straight up this path between the cones.
Okay.
Stabilize your speed between 12 and 18 miles per hour by the time you reach that first solid yellow line. And then maintain a steady speed. When your front tire crosses the second yellow line, stop as fast and as safely as you can. You won't lose points if you skid on this one, okay? And then once you stop, don't allow your motorcycle to roll back and forth in either direction. Do you understand the directions for that one?
Yep.
Okay, so when I go down here, I'll signal you. one is the obstacle swerve. So on my signal, you're going to accelerate up the same path that we did between the cones. Stabilize your speed between 12 and 18 miles per hour by the time you reach the first line. And then when your front tire passes the second yellow line, you're going to swerve to the right, and you're going to be between the cones and the solid red line.
Okay.
When you swerve, okay. Avoid the obstacle line and stay within the two lines. Can't touch either, can't put a foot down. Do you understand the obstacle swerve? Everything? Okay. So when I get down here, I'll signal.
Where do you want me to stop after?
Oh, I'm sorry. You can just, when you get done there, you can just pull over to the side here.
Okay. Thank you.
No points off or anything.
Thank you.
What I'll do is give you a stamped application showing that you passed. And this office is closed today, but
What up, YouTube? Danger Dan here, and I just got my full license. My thoughts about this test are people blow it way out of proportion. The hardest part was the U-turn. As far as the quick stop and swerve goes, that was brainlessly easy. The chick made me do it, the quick stop a second time, because she didn't believe I was going fast enough, because I actually stopped before the white lines even started. And she told me I wouldn't get any deductions for skidding or anything like that, so it's game time, baby. Anyhow, with that being said, man, it's nice to see Harley people wave at you whenever they actually do. I wave at every biker. I don't care if you're a scooter, I wave at you. Even a trike, I'll wave at a trike. You're nothing more. You're probably just an older guy that can't ride a bike anymore. I'm sure if they had the choice, they'd much rather be on two wheels. Anyhow, I got off topic there. But yeah, the motorcycle skills test is blown way out of proportion. That or you're just hearing the stories from people that don't know how to ride a bike. I didn't get any deductions. Of course, well, I took it twice. I didn't get any deductions the first time either. But I didn't have my right documentation on the bike with me. So I had to come back and they made me do it again, even though it was the same people and they knew I passed it the first time. So the second time around, was not on camera. It was the first time I did it that you guys actually saw. With that being said, I'm gonna go celebrate. I'm going on a ride. Where am I going? I don't know. I have GPS to get me back. So where I go, I don't even care. Peace, guys. Danger Dan out. Woo!